What is going on, my future crypto millionaires? All right, so I've got a good update today. I'm going to be going over my Robinhood portfolio, the crypto I'm holding, which is mainly just XRP right now. I'm also going to be talking about swing trading, and we got some good stuff to go over today. Now, currently have about 410,000 in my account. It's been a rough month. Basically what happened was a few weeks ago I bought into the Trump pump when he was posting about the Bitcoin reserve, but it was just XRP, Cardano, and Solana. And basically what happened was I bought high, didn't put my stop loss in time, and we took a big dip. But if we look at the 1 year on my account, it's still doing just fine. It's up almost 400%. And if I wasn't swing trading, none of this would have happened. I probably would have somewhere between like 150,000 in this account, maybe like 180,000. And I do plan on getting this up to at least 1 million within the next probably like 2 to 3 months, and then hopefully take it to about 2 to 3 million by the end of the year, which I think is going to be very attainable. And I'm going to talk about some ways that you can kind of grow your own portfolio swing trading. But let's pull up what I'm currently holding right now. Like I said, XRP. Now the position I'm in right now is down quite a bit on this. And like I said, it was because I fell for the Trump pump, didn't put a stop loss in, and got myself in a little bit of trouble. But not really too worried about it at the moment because I'm going to pull up the chart on XRP. And honestly, guys, couple ways things can go right now. My opinion is XRP is going to start to creep back up to right around like 260 to 280 and then get up to that 3 mark. The flip side, if things really went bad, which it just doesn't look like is going to happen, especially right now in this moment in time, the worst we could see XRP go to probably down to like $1.50. So it's a pretty big swing. If you look at it, it's like 80 cents one way or the other. The thing is though, guys, where I see XRP going in the next couple of weeks, not financial advice, I think, like I said, we're going to creep back up to like right around 3 very soon. What's going to happen after that is going to be a lot of resistance at the $3 mark. Expect a ton of resistance, but once it breaks through, then 340 to 350 is going to be your next resistance before it probably does a little bit of a reversal back down to 3 and then pumps up again. And, a lot of people are kind of shooting for right around $4 at the lower end on this next pump. And I'm kind of in the same camp. I think that what's going to happen is, XRP is going to have a huge pump to 380, and then I'm going to see how it reacts when it gets to 380. By the time it gets to 380, if it goes over 450 to $5 is kind of where I see it going. If it went any higher than that, I don't think it's going to get past $6. What's going to happen after that pump is a huge dump. I am going to be selling on the next big pump, believe me. I'm going to put some stop losses in, probably 30 cents behind wherever it's at. And like I said, if we take a look at, XRP right now, $2.30. So that's really my plan, guys. And that's what I'm going to do. And you can do this for a lot of different cryptos. Obviously, XRP is just hot right now. It's a little bit of a safer play, in my opinion, too, when it comes to swing trading. You obviously do Bitcoin as well. I would stay away from Ethereum, but if you want some safer cryptos to swing trade right now, that's kind of what it would stick with, XRP and Bitcoin. Also want to point out that if you guys want some help swing trading, there's going to be a link in the description and comments for that where you can kind of get some help on it if you're just kind of struggling. It doesn't really have to be on Robinhood for swing trading. It's just that this is one account that I'm using right now. I also use Uphold. I also keep a lot of crypto in offline wallets, so not on the exchange. Currently I've got right around like 300,000-ish XRP, and I've just basically got this trading account with what I've got on here, and I'm totally fine with that. I could add more to it if I wanted to, but I'm comfortable where I'm at. But the bottom line is, swing trading right now, crypto, XRP, Bitcoin, whatever, I recommend that you guys, when you are swing trading, there's a couple different ways you could do it. You could do it by 4-hour time frames or 1-day time frames. I found the most success swing trading over the years by really looking at it as like a 2-week to a full month kind of thing. So like if you bought an XRP right now at $2.30 and we're basically in between right now March, I'd be looking to hold for at least 2 weeks to a month. instead of trying to capitalize on small swings. I like to wait for the bigger percentage moves, if that makes sense. Plus, when you do it this way, it takes a lot of stress off of you. You know what I'm saying? So just something to consider. You know what I mean? All right. And with all that said, I did kind of want to end things here with a pretty cool article. It's just from the Crypto Basic. It just has here's why XRP could still skyrocket to $15. Now, it'd be nice if it did. My predictions are not going to be that high, especially for like this year, but I think we could still go a lot higher than where it's right now, you know, at least a 2x. So that's all I'm saying. But also link this article up below if you guys want to check it out. These guys do release some good stuff. But it says a well-known analyst has insisted that XRP still has the potential to reach a 2-digit price this cycle, citing its extensive symmetrical triangle formation. This view came from market veteran Ali Martinez, who aimed to counteract the prevailed bearish sentiments amid XRP's downward trend. Notably, as the broader market faces a turbulent phase, XRP has been the victim of this rout, down 29% from the 340 peak in mid-January. The asset stagged a recovery effort earlier this month, but witnessed resistance that led to an 18% decline on March 3rd, the highest the Terra collapse since May 2022. Interestingly, despite the turbulence, Martinez believes an earlier prediction to $15 remains intact. Now, whenever somebody throws out predictions like these guys, you always got to be a little bit more cautious, realistic, you know, especially when we're looking at XRP on like a 2-week and monthly, you know, time frame, even a daily time frame. But this year's long symmetrical triangle, he discusses that in his latest commentary, calling attention to his 7-year symmetrical triangle formed by XRP's January 2018 when it collapsed from 3.8 to all-time highs. For context, even before XRP's recent breakthrough, multiple analysts have identified this triangle stretching a breakout could lead to substantial gains. In his recent analysis, Martinez confirmed that as XRP's formed lower highs from January 2018, this extended triangle at the top. Meanwhile, as the Altcoin Observer reported higher lows within this period, extended the triangle at the bottom. This essentially formed a symmetrical triangle. Okay, we get that point. Anyways, this is kind of funny picture of him right here. Here he goes with it. So basically, he's kind of talking about a breakout from where we're at right now all the way up to 15. Now, that's a little much, right? You know, the thing too about XRP, and I got to be real about this with you guys too, like anytime it's had a huge pump, it always retraces. Because like, look at when we had this pump right here in November, it went from what, like 50 cents all the way up to, I think it was like close to $3, right? Like right around $3 before it dumped back down. And it dumped back down quite a bit. You know, XRP's kind of been in this range of $2 to $3 for a while. You could see it's just been going sideways. But what I'm getting at here is if we just look at how much it pumped from, you know, 50 cents to close to $3, what is that, like a 500% increase? It's a little bit different this time around because of, I mean, you have to throw a little bit of that market cap concern in. But I do think, you know, definitely like from where we're right now, it wouldn't be shocking to me to get like 100% pump or an 80% pump from where we're currently at, which would put us right up to that like a 340 to 350 to 360 mark before retracing again. So this would make for a pretty good trade where it's at right now. And that's kind of why I'm holding, even though, you know, I screwed myself over on the Trump pump. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, happened a little bit a while ago. You could Google it. It was pretty ridiculous. And I didn't set a stop loss. And then, you know, I had things going on that day, took my eye off the ball, and got myself in a little bit of a bad spot. But I'm just holding through the pain right now, still up about 400% on the year. And honestly, guys, none of this would have been possible if I wasn't swing trading. You know, just long-term holding is totally fine. A lot of people worry about, oh, I got to pay taxes and all this other nonsense. But at the end of the day, man, like, we're in this to make money, right? We want to make money. It's totally fine holding long-term. But if you capitalize on swing trades with crypto, you know, and when I say swing trade, I'm talking about buying in and holding for like 2 weeks minimum up to like a month, sometimes a little bit longer than that. The percentage increases you could make will compound your account a lot faster. If I hadn't been swing trading on this one account you're looking at, I would, like I said, be stuck at probably between like 150 to 180,000. But we're gonna go up a lot more than that. Gonna hit the million this year very soon. Gonna go for 2 to 3 by the end of the year. All right. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this update. You know, subscribe, get on that newsletter if you you know, want to learn more about swing trading and bunch of other cool stuff. You know, thanks for watching this. We'll see you all in the next crypto video.